Prophia recently released a new document upload function that makes updating your assets even easier. Here's how it works. From your homepage, click on the Upload Documents button. From here, you can choose a type of document, depending on whether you're uploading a building document, such as a rent roll or stacking plan, or a tenant document, such as a main lease agreement, amendments, commencement letters, or anything that's specific to a tenant. If you're uploading a building level document, like a rent roll, you just click on Building, and then from this dropdown, you can select the asset that you want to upload the document to. To upload your document, you can either drag and drop the file here, or you can browse the files on your computer. For a tenant-related document, you choose Tenant, select the asset, and then select which tenant it belongs to. And apply the same process for uploading your documents. Once you're done adding files, you can click Upload, and your work is done. The documents will automatically run through our AI model and human review process to abstract any data, and within 3 business days, the information from these documents will be available on Prophia. As always, if you have any questions, please go to support.prophia.com or reach out to your dedicated customer success manager.